Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day in one of my classes, one of my students was talking about how her grandparents used to own a small holding, like a little farm out in the countryside. And every summer she'd spend time out there with them. And when her grandma used to go out into the farmyard to feed the chickens or to milk the cows, my student always wanted to go with her and try to help. But she always used to end up getting under her grandma's feet and basically became more of a hindrance than a help. A hindrance is something that makes it more difficult to do something, or that makes it more difficult for something to develop. So if you say that something is more of a hindrance than a help, you basically mean it's not helping, it's the opposite of helping. In the same way, you might have someone who has a particular disability. You know, maybe they're very short-sighted or a bit deaf, or they have to use a wheelchair. And they might tell you that they've never regarded their disability as a hindrance, but maybe other people have. Sometimes when new regulations or new laws are brought in, they end up doing more harm to the people who they're designed to help than they actually do to help them. So sometimes the new regulations end up being more of a hindrance than a help. They end up being a hindrance to the people they were designed to support and designed to help. And maybe if you're running a company, like I am, you might sometimes find that high prices are a major hindrance to potential new customers or potential new buyers. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use hindrance.